Next, I want us to do the page experience. Yeah, yeah. So this is the part of the page experience. So the next is called Web Vital. This part will be able to know the performance of the website when it comes to mobile and desktop. From the SEO to every aspect of the website, we'll be able to check. So let's go for mobile first. This is mobile. Don't worry, there's no reports here. Then let's check that of desktop. So the mobile is at the top of the desktop. I believe you might get the result from the desktop with ease than that of the mobile. So let's start with the desktop. Even if you click on the mobile, discover what your real users are experiencing. We're getting no data here, but don't worry. Diagnosing performance issues. So basically, this is basically to get performance issues for your website. This is still coming up. If it happens that they didn't come up, you have to refresh. So we've gotten that of the mobile. This is for the mobile. So SEO is good, 96%. Best practice 100, accessibility, performance. So this is where you need to do a lot of work. But you can still touch on this in order to resolve. These are good. So this is performances. First, content pain. So this is where you have those issues. You need to find out how to resolve all these. You can simply click on this. Consider using the time spent, so you can resolve all this by clicking on this. The third party code can simply impact load performance. Largest content footprint element, so you can resolve this. Avoid excessive. So if this is basically web developer issues, they might be, but image element do not have the specific weight and height. So basically, you can resolve this. These are the images. So let's go for that of desktop. This is desktop 100%. So this is good, very good, very good. But you can still resolve some of those issues. But I think those issues might be web developers issues. So thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next.